On behalf of Sun Life Hong Kong, welcome to the Sun Life Stanley International Dragon Boat Championship. More teams each year, more attendees. So thank you greatly for making this a special event.
We really support recycling, and it's great that this year's competition is putting such a heavy focus on it. There's so much plastic in our oceans that we need to get rid of, and so it's important to use as little single-use plastic as possible.
We really support the plastic recycling. This is a very good initiative. Great job.
The recycling is a great initiative. We have to save the oceans. This is the only planet we're ever going to have.
I love how Sun Life are making this a plastic-free event. It's absolutely amazing, and I think they're setting a great example for other events in Hong Kong and around the world.
Oh, it's been great. The energy here is amazing. The weather's been good. The location is perfect. There's nothing more we could ask for.
It's our first time paddling, so we can't wait to come back next year. It was a great experience, and we paddled with unity. We had fun. It was great weather.